Ooh, look at that. Some nice gold again. Go get that out. Get all the aluminum. There we go. Wood board and aluminum. So next we'll do the wire. Zero that. We'll cut the gold tips. It's not super valuable, but always good to cut them. I think Board Sort is buying the tips at 50 cents a pound. So why not? Another gold tip here. Some more wiring. Another gold tip. Some more wires. So we have about 2.3 ounces of wires. And I usually get about 50 cents. So right now we're at about 7 cents. Just threw that in my wire pile. Let's see about gold tips, which is not a lot. Yeah, it's about 0.4 ounces. Let's see, gold tips. Just want to be sure I give you guys the right info. Mixed wires, gold-plated pins. No, that's not what we're looking for.